So what you're going to want to do is go to Appearance, Themes. Now you'll see here, this is the theme that's installed, the very, very basic looking theme. What we're going to want to do though is we want to put a much nicer looking one. So we're going to go to Add New. And there are literally thousands and thousands of websites. And a lot of them, the free ones especially, are just, they're really not very nice looking. But I've done my searching. I searched for a long time for this. But I was able to find a theme that is completely free, and it's just an amazing theme to use as a base to build up to a really nice looking website. So what you want to do is you want to go to this here, you want to hit search for themes, and you're going to type in Hestia, and it's going to do the search for you, and it's going to bring it up. What you're going to do is you're going to hit install, and it's going to start installing it for us. And then what you want to do is you want to hit activate. Alright, so let's just confirm that the new theme has installed. So we're going to go to here and click visit site. So the theme has installed, and as you can see, it is very, very basic looking. But now I'm going to take you guys through step by step how we're going to fully customize out this theme so that it's going to turn into an incredible looking site. Alright, so let's get onto it. So the first thing I want you doing is going up here, and we're going to go back to our dashboard. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to pages, and you're going to hit add new. Now what I want you to do here is type in for me home. Make sure you've got a capital H there, home. Put that in, and then just hit publish. Done. And then what we're going to do, repeat the process. You're going to hit add new again, and you're going to type for me blog and hit publish. Okay, and then the next step I want you to do is you're going to go to setting, reading. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to change it to static page. You're going to change home page to home, and post page to blog, and you're going to hit save changes for me. Now if we have a look back at our site, you'll see that it's started to apply a few changes for us. So we're going to go back to our site, and you can hit visit, have a look. There you go. So as you can see, it's starting to kind of look like the website that we had, but it's still quite far from it.